Here's how to convert HEIC to ICO. That's that icon image format. I use an app called ConvertSave that I actually created. It's an image, video, and audio file converter for Windows and Mac, and it works offline. So all you have to do is drag and drop image files in. There's some HEIC photos here. If I want to select the output, I can go down here to ICO or the ICO icon file and hit convert, and it converts and saves right back where those original images came from. I worked on this with my brother, pretty much went to him. He's a software developer, and I said, hey, is there any way we can make this like offline image, video, audio converter? We could just drag and drop things in. Can it work on Windows and Mac? And we made it, and now I don't have to go to any more sketchy websites to do all my file conversions. In fact, I can do unlimited file conversions here within ConvertSave, and I can do it right on my desktop and offline. I don't even have to be on Wi-Fi or anything. It works with system tools and also some other open source tools like FFmpeg and also ImageMagick, and we're going to be adding even more support for other tools and also other conversion types. So that's how I can convert HEIC to ICO. Hopefully you guys find it useful. Link in the description, or just go to convertsave.com. I'll see you guys in the next one.